the three wackadoodles here, we want to know what it's like to be left in the fridge alone. Dark, what is it? Oh my gosh, the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. Blue lights. What the heck? Okay, so now let's go in the fridge. Tell us if it's dark or light. We don't care if it's dark or light. We just care that you guys don't freeze. Happy holidays. Bye. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna go get some cheese. Whoa, I didn't remember, you guys. I thought I shut the camera off. I'm a wackadoodle, so who cares? Is it dark? Is it light? Subscribe down below to this channel. And please hit a thumbs up. Please do. Tell us if it's dark or if it is